Top cryptocurrency prices on April 27. Bitcoin maintains $28,000 mark, Ethereum gains nearly 4% in the last 24 hours. The total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is $67.65 billion, which makes a 66.8% increase. Bitcoin and other crypto tokens are trading largely higher on Thursday. Bitcoin has maintained the $28,000 mark and is trading more than 4% higher as of 7 a.m. IST. The total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is $67.65 billion, which makes a 66.8% increase. The total volume in DeFi is currently $5.04 billion, 7.45% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. The volume of all stablecoins is now $61.03 billion, which is 90.21% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. Also read, Crypto must end anonymity for illicit finance, U.S. regulator says. Bitcoin's dominance is currently 46.75%, an increase of 0.4% over the day. At 7:10 a.m. on April 27, these were the prices of the top cryptocurrencies, data from WazirX. Name price, INR, 24H%. Bitcoin 25, 26, 082 minus 0.55. Tether USD 88.72 minus 0.38. Ethereum 1, 70, 839.9 plus 3.85. Ripple 40.2101 minus 2.50. Binance Coin 29,302.01 plus 0.00.